Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x whole to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 125, then find the value of x. Student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of x from this equation. So student, our given equation is 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x whole to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 125. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side 5 raised to the power 3 to the power x times 1 over 3 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write the exponential form of 125. So student, we know that 125 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5, that is 5 to the power 3. So student, the exponential form of 125 is 5 to the power 3. So on the right hand side we can write 5 to the power 3. So after that we can write from the left hand side of this equation 5 raised to the power 3 to the power x over 3 is equal to 5 to the power 3. So student, according to this formula we can write from this equation 3 to the power x over 3 is equal to 3. After that student, according to cross multiplication rule we can write from this equation 3 to the power x is equal to 3 times 3. So after that we can write from this equation 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 2. So student, to find the value of x from this equation you have to apply this formula. So according to this formula we can write from this equation x is equal to 2. So student, this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.